appointment HDB. Our clients just completed dia punya purchase of a new flat. And basically today, kita gonna start a new type of videos where it's not just me sitting down complaining about issues. So we'll show you, we'll bring you along through our day to see what we do. So this series will introduce you to the rest of my team. I don't just work alone. As mentioned, we have 20, 30 houses, so it's impossible for me to work alone. I'm not the best worker around, but I try to work smart. So you'll see my partners, the people that help me run the viewings and all that. And maybe if we'll meet our clients, we'll show you houses. So like today, we'll show you different types of houses. We'll start with rumah 3 bilik. Esok hari we'll show you condos, we'll show you rumah landed kalau ada. So kita nak masuk Yishun, Chongpang to be accurate. We sold this flat. We took over from another agent. The other agent setahun tak terjual-jual. We took over within 2 months. It's not the fastest. 2 months tak laju sangat. Average. Managed to sell at market price. And one thing about Yishun is that no matter what people say about Yishun, what's in the news about Yishun, orang masih nak beli juga. Kenapa? Because Yishun is one of the biggest estates. Ada banyak amenities. Chongpang makanan ada, Khatib. Yishun is so big, dia ada 2 MRT. So, you know, Khatib dengan Yishun. So, we're gonna show you a house yang kita dah jual. It's a 3-room flat. In not the typical condition yang orang nak beli. Tapi buyers dia pandai. I'll show you why later. So, this is a 3-room flat in Yishun. Kita jual rumah ni 240,000, 240k. Okay, previous agent couldn't sell for 1 year. We managed to sell. But the condition of the house is what we call original condition. HDB, you will hear this term original condition quite often. But bukannya rumah yang ada rumah original, yang ada rumah imitation. Original in HDB means macam inilah. The condition of the house is direct from HDB. Kalau you tengok dulu HDB pun singkit juga. Dia bagi tile setengah je, atas dia buat bodoh. Okay, but the condition of the house, you know it's anytime boleh meletup. But the buyers bought for a reason. I'll show you what the buyer plans to do later on lah. Next house I'll show you. But rumah ni actually bagus. Tingkat 10 unblock. Sorry, belakang block tapi depan. Okay, it is quite high floor. Banyak orang suka tingkat tinggi. Tengok sana. You know, it is actually very berangin juga. But that's one feature of the house. End of the day, rumah ni betul-betul banyak benda nak kena buat. Ni semua nak kena pecahkan. Tembok kalau dipecahkan, it becomes very big. In fact, banyak orang, the common layout would be to put dia punya dapur on one side and then the dining area in the kitchen itself. So what I tell my clients usually is to cut the dapur in half. You know, and it becomes more livable lah. Because why do you need such a big kitchen? You know, you need a kitchen, and today you want a separate dining, and you want to have a large living space juga. Bilik lah. I mean. And we have more listings on our Property Guru, but if you can follow us on our Instagram, we are more active there. We have people who like us, people who hate us. Just watch. We're also on YouTube and we're also on Facebook. Follow, okay?
What do you do for the HDB Romeo team actually?
A lot of arrange of viewings.
Arrange of viewings?
Yeah, arrange of viewings. Lagi going for the viewings and then any others in between that the clients needed for us to settle. If it's within my scope, I'll do it now.
So basically Anwar is the engine of our team. He runs for all the viewings. Orang yang call in through the advertisements, dia angkat telefon. Kalau kita tak angkat telefon, maknanya dia tengah sibuk. Buat apa, I tak tahu.
Arranging.
Sibuk arranging.
I have to source out for clients who are buying. You have to source out.
Okay.
They can go up to 20-30 houses one shot.
So physically he's on the ground 24/7 for us.
Yeah.
Tapi he's earning NUS punya salary budak.
Stop it.
NUS graduate punya salary.
It's not cheap It's not cheap. Yang statutory declaration tu, you buat unemployed ke temp worker?
Tab. I asked my wife to go to Bedok and Toa Payoh buat tab.
Okay. So I guess after this your grant insyaAllah will be approved lah.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So basically that was a direct buyer yang beli rumah from our seller. Pasal dia tak ada agent, I have to cover up so much work for him. It doesn't make sense because he's not paying. I mean, end of the day, we're doing this nak tolong orang semua, but I need to earn money, right? Yeah. So when we help direct buyers, it really takes a lot of effort. So diorang tak tahu every single thing, but they think they know everything. Okay, so rumah ni is the exact same layout as the previous rumah Yishun tadi. It is also a 3-room flat, 3NG. 3NG kan?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a 3NG flat, except bilik dia it's a flip, it's a mirror image. So the owner of this flat was a single lady, so lifestyle dia lain sikit. Okay, above 35, she has her own money to buy the flat. She proceeded. The previous owner of this flat pula wasn't a human being. The previous owner was JTC, Jurong Town Council. I also call it Jin to Jin Corporation. Okay, so the first thing that she did was when she bought the house, flooring dia hack semua. Okay, dan dia buat dia punya homogeneous style ni semua. But bilik dia punya master room dengan dia punya common room ni dia tak hack, dia overlay saja. And this is one thing that can happen when you overlay aja. Okay, contractor bilang dia lah, and then dia pun aware. She proceeded, you know, but if you want really perfect flooring, you really must hack the entire floor. That's the best thing that you can do. So she spent less than 25,000 to renovate this house. This video, I am not selling you this property. I am showing you what my client did after she moved in. Anwar tengah buat kerja, jangan kacau dia. So, for less than $25,000, what she did was flooring and dapur. She spent most of the money hacking. There used to be a storeroom kat sini yang dia dah hack. Okay. Dapur, if you notice, come. Dapur basically, it is not what your contractor wants. Your contractor kalau boleh nak panjangkan dapur, nak double-sided punya dapur. You know, carpentry is quite expensive. And she thought about it, dia tak masak, dia jarang masak. Ni pun actually for show aja. Dia kata dia tak pakai langsung. Dia pakai pun boil water. She told me the only thing that she needed was ini. Neatly hidden. Ini. This is kita punya savior, microwave oven. Okay, 2 pagi lapar, masukkan apa-apa. Telur pun boleh masak kat sini, cukup. So what did she spend on? She spent on flooring, hacking kanan kiri, plastering. She told me plastering she spent quite a fair bit, and aircon brand new. Aircon I don't agree with her. Aircon I just buy second hand, sama juga. Bilik sejuk juga. But this was her focus. Her focus was this table, dining table, because she works from home juga, and to have a big size dining table, she can make use of it as tempat workstation. Kawan-kawan datang, it's a good place for conversation semua. Kalau tak nak berbual dengan kawan tapi tak nak tengok muka each other kan, boleh duduk sini. Now, reno, she didn't spend so much, but furnishings wise, she spent quite a fair bit. And she told me dia tak beli furnishings at one shot. Dia tak beli cots, beli 3+2+1 punya furniture. She actually bought things one by one. So far ni interesting. I've never heard about such stories before, but dia ambil design from Pinterest, dia pergi kedai somewhere in dekat mana? Pasir Panjang. Somewhere in Pasir Panjang, and she actually got it custom made. So far ni not made in China, not made in India, not made in Jakarta, made in Singapore, made in Pasir Panjang for 1399. 1299, sorry. Yeah. And one thing she told me, she initially wanted to get a coffee table. Okay, coffee table dia cancel. Pasal dia realise kalau masukkan coffee table, tak ada tempat nak lalu lalang. Okay. The only design element she has, pokok ni. Okay, pokok ni she actually got online. I forgot kedai apa nama dia. Bob Bumbarak. You know, is I think active guy on Instagram juga. She likes greenery stuff, tapi dia tak ada time nak siram air semua kan. So all she does is dia ambil wet cloth, settle. Cantik juga kan, nobody knows. Again, You can do so many things with furnitures. One thing I like that she did was dia tak pasang wall feature TV console. Okay, she can change the design anytime she wants. She is not stuck with a feature wall for the next 5 years. Okay, 2 tahun, 3 years, 2 years, 3 years later, dia punya design dah, dia punya apa? What do you call it? Dah out of touch, dah out of fashion. She can just change. Yeah, she's not stuck with a feature wall for the next. The reason why I'm showing you this video is because I'm telling you it's okay to buy rumah yang murah, rumah yang rundown, because there's so many things you can do to your taste. Okay, nak kena ada budget for reno sikit, save duit sikit, but that also means you tak payah nak go overboard with what you can afford. The owner actually told me she bought her furnitures lepas 4 bulan baru dia finish everything actually. So this is a very different type of housing in the sense that it's not common to have a bachelorette staying alone, okay? But and I understand if you have children, if you have family staying with you, it's probably impossible to have this kind of layout. Yeah, but I'm here to share with you what my client actually buat. This is a real life scenario. So for the next video, we will show you another type of 2 bedroom 1 hall punya rumah, but not HDB, condo. So my clients agree, a brand new condo yang only 2 years old, 3 years old, and also another client yang 18 tahun punya condo. They're gonna show us, we're gonna showcase lah a different type, what different owners will do to their house. So if you like this video so far, if you watch this video till now, okay, drop me a message in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell us what you think. Tell us what you want to see in future upcoming videos. What you want us to talk about. We will find time to reply as much as possible. We will find time to make the videos. So yeah, tell me what you want to see.